Welcome to the Essential Guide to Voltage Stabilizer Function and Selection. This video will provide an overview of voltage stabilizers and how to select the right one for your electrical installations. Power grids naturally fluctuate. High voltage creates spikes, while low voltage causes dips. These voltage fluctuations can severely damage sensitive electronic equipment over time. A stabilizer is designed to protect your appliances. It detects these voltage changes and automatically adjusts the output, delivering a constant power supply to your devices. Stabilizers correct voltage through two main operations. Buck operation steps down high voltage from the grid. Boost operation steps up low voltage to the required level. There are three primary types of stabilizers. Relay type uses electromagnetic relays and is ideal for standard home appliances. Servo-controlled uses a motorized arm for high accuracy, suited for industrial equipment. Static type utilizes electronic circuits for high precision, best for sensitive electronics. Choosing the right stabilizer involves three critical steps. First, determine the appliance capacity. Second, check the required input voltage range. Third, select the necessary safety features. Step 1 is matching the power draw. Low capacity stabilizers are for single items like TVs. Medium capacity is for large appliances such as air conditioners. High capacity units protect the main power line for an entire house. Step 2 is knowing your local power grid. In standard environments with minor fluctuations, a 130 volts to 280 volts range is adequate. In low voltage zones, a wider 50 volts to 280 volts range is recommended to handle severe power drops. Step 3 is requiring essential safety features. Intelligent time delay allows compressors to balance pressure. High/low cutoff protection turns off power during extreme spikes. Thermal protection prevents the stabilizer from overheating. For a 1.5-ton AC unit, you typically require 4 kVA capacity, around 11 amps. Look for intelligent time delay and a wide input range, such as 150 volts to 285 volts, for optimal protection. Heavy appliances like microwaves need high/low cutoff features. Sensitive electronics, such as large TVs, require ultra-wide input thresholds to protect their delicate components. For whole house mainline protection, target a capacity of up to 40 amps or 10 kVA. These systems utilize heavy-duty toroidal transformers with copper winding and require an extreme voltage range, like 50 volts to 270 volts. Here is the engineer's checklist for selection. Identify the appliance, calculate power draw, measure grid fluctuations, confirm buck and boost operations, and verify safety cutoffs and time delays. This ensures you choose the right stabilizer every time.